Hey there, Ms. 𝐸𝐻𝐸 here. Welcome to another video. I'm so excited to talk to you today because, if you're looking right now to make money from home, then you're in the right place. What I want to show you today is some updated proof, some results, some members' testimonies from a system that I've been using for over 2 years to make income from home. Last week I made $875 using this instant commission program that I'm going to show you today. I'm going to show you what you get access to and how you could actually use this system. And so I made $875 last week, and to date I've made over $23,000 plus using this system. So let me actually take you over to the system. And you can see here I made $23,675 with a program. And let me tell you a little bit about this program. So this is a program that allows members to earn instant payouts of $25, $125, $250, $500, and $1,000. Okay, there are no monthly fees, absolutely no monthly fees. So for a one-time investment into a home business, I've been able to earn over and over and over again. And here's the thing that I want you to understand. Right now, I've essentially been laid off because there's no plan in place with my district of when schools are going to reopen. None. They basically told us apply for unemployment. Okay? So the thing about this is this system has never failed me. When I left my job over a year ago, this system paid me. When my job is like, nothing, this system pays me. So this system has faithfully paid me over 2 years. So anyways, I've made over $23,000 with the system, and I'm just going to scroll real quick, and I'm going to show you all the payouts that I've gotten over and over again. 250, 500, 25, 100, 500, 1,000, over and 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 over again. And what I like about this system that it's not just me, it's other people. We have tons of testimonials of everyday people just like myself using the system to produce instant commissions for themselves. So if you're looking for a home business where there's no monthly fees, that it allows you to get paid out instantly and daily direct to either your Cash App, your PayPal, your bank account, however you decide that you want to receive payment, then this system is what you want to definitely take a look at. Beneath this video is my link if you want to learn more about it, and feel free to reach out to me with any questions that you have. I do have some amazing training. I give away what is called a blueprint to any of my platinum or higher members, and that training shows you step by step how I was able to do just what you saw on the screen before and make commissions over and over and over again and turn this to an instant commission machine for myself. And I show you the free advertising and marketing strategies that I've been using for over 2 years to leverage this system. And that's really what I want people to learn in 2020. I think now is a great time for people while you're home. For all the people say, I don't have time to start a business. I've always wanted to learn how to make money online. Well, now is the time to learn how to do it, okay? Especially because e-commerce is booming, make money from home is booming. And while people are home, guess what they're trying to learn how to do? Make money. Okay, so we have tons of testimonials of everyday people making money with this system. I could take you into another group and just show you even more just proof and testimonials. Let me actually I think my screen is like doing something funny, but anyways, while that's loading, what I'm gonna do, so I'm here in the proof group, and I just want to show you what's happening with our members in this instant payout program who are working from home during this coronavirus outbreak and still generating commissions from home. So here, of course, we have Robert. Shout out to Robert. He's always encouraging other people, and he's in there, just giving some encouragement to the group. I also posted my results from last week where I got paid about $750 to my Square and another $125 to my Cash App. So I can actually show you that. Let me just scroll back over here. So this is my Square dashboard, and you can see that this is me, 𝐸𝐻𝐸 Turnip Seed, right here, $750 in 2 days during the period of 3/15, 3/21. And then in my Cash App, 750 in 2 days during the period of 3/15, 3/21. And then in my Square dashboard, right here, $750 in 2 days during the period of 3/15, 3/21. And then in my Cash App, $750 in 2 days during the period of 3/15, 3/21. And then in my Cash App, got paid $125. Okay, so this is not, I mean, this is real stuff. And then we have some other members. Let's see, one guy from India, I'm assuming, he said, awesome feeling earning $25 sitting at home in this pandemic situation. Okay, congrats to Mahir, I hope I'm saying it right. Earned $25. And he's a relatively new member. It says new member. So he just joined not that long ago, made $175, and it looks like he earned $25 the other day as well. So congrats to Mahir for earning direct commissions. Okay, let's see what else. Oh yeah, and James Famba, who's on my team, woke up to another $100 straight to Cash App. Shout out to you, Beast. And then Manny, he's beasting it. Congrats to Manny, earning $3,000. Good for you. So, you know, this is really helping people. And that's why I love this program. So let me take you over to the system, show you how the system works, and just talk to you about how you can position yourself and what you get when you partner with me. Here's the thing that I want people to understand. Again, I've used free marketing and advertising strategies, i.e. my social media, a simple strategy. And actually, I can't really show it to you on paper. I can show you the top, but I created a blueprint the other day, and it's step by step, and I actually sent it to another member that's in the program, where I basically just literally dumb down everything to what do you post day 1, what do you post day 2. So by the day 14, you understand how to boom your social media, how to convert leads into sales. This Thursday at 8 p.m. I will be doing a live training in my Cash Blueprint group for my members and showing them how to do this, because the time is now, right? The time is now to learn how to leverage social media to earn commissions. And you can do that for lifetime. It's a skill set that once you learn it, you can make money forever. I'm in my bathrobe. For 2 years, I've been making videos in my bathrobe with my head rag on. I don't have to get up and dress up to be able to make money. Okay? Anytime I have my cell phone or my computer and I have a system like this, I can go out in social media. I can go out there and I can make commissions. And that's what I want other people to learn how to do. All right. So anyways, let's get into it. So let's go over to the system over here. And we're going to go over to funnel pages. And I want to kind of show you explain how this system works. Okay. So when you come into the system, you buy a package, and that package allows you to not only learn the skill sets of internet marketing, but it also gives you access to training that is a lifelong skill set. Okay. In addition to that, you're going to be able to earn at that commission level or any of the commission levels underneath that. And you're going to get access to a system that is going to do all the telling, selling, and explaining for you. Okay. And that's what you want. You want an automated system that explains for you how everything works, so you don't have to. All your job is to get out there and to increase your visibility on social media, and from there you simply lead people to your system. This system is done for you. You do not have to put together any capture pages and things like that. Nothing like that. All you do is grab your link and get to work using the blueprint and start earning your commissions. Okay, so that's as simple as it is. Okay, so that said, when you join the system, you get access to all these different funnel pages that you can use. One of the highest converting funnel pages at this time is this funnel page right here. Okay, so what I tell people to do is when they join the system, come in and grab their link. And all you do to grab your link is literally, hold on one second. All you do right here where it has this little error. I said arrow. You open that in a new window and you go ahead and at the top, you just copy that link and put it in a notepad. Okay. If you want to be all fancy, you can go ahead and put that in a bit.ly link shortener, or you can link it to a domain if you want to or whatever. But that's all you got to do is grab your link. Now you have a page, which let's go ahead and open this. It's almost open. Okay. Then you have an amazing page that the system has put together. The colors pop, right, which helps with conversions. It's all this like marketing psychology that helps you, right? The colors pop, the headlines pop. It has a capture, which captures the email address of the person who's coming into your system. And immediately there's no guessing about what this system is. The headline tells you, real members revealed the easiest way to start earning daily payments of $25, $100, $250, $500, and even $1,000, right? Right here is a video which shows proof that this system works. They enter their email address and boom, when they hit show me the presentation, it leads them to a page where it presents for them and the button underneath says ready to join. That's it. There's no, like, your job is just to do what the blueprint says in terms of getting your visibility out there on social media and to lead people to your system. That's it. That's it. Okay. And that's what I love about this system is like, as someone who came online before and I failed miserably online before, I couldn't figure out what I was doing wrong. You know what I was doing wrong? Buying traffic. You know what I was doing wrong? Sitting back and not being visible, right? And not really understanding that my social media could literally create a platform where I can get paid. And that's really what I want people to understand how to do. So I've showed you proof that this system works. I've showed you what it's done for me. I've showed you that the system gives you access to the exact page to help you market this and to get, leads and sales. If you're ready to position yourself, you're ready for a home business with no monthly fees. You're ready for someone to give you the blueprint on what to do. You're ready to hop on one of my cash blueprint trainings at 8 p.m. on Thursday, right? You're ready to actually start creating income from home because now is the time. If this has not showed people who are stuck at home and have no cash flow coming in that they should have probably started a home business, I don't know what else to say, right? But if you're watching this and you're like, I'm ready, all right, what I want you to do beneath this video, go ahead, click on the link, go ahead and lock in your spot. Again, platinum and higher members get access to my marketing blueprint of strategies. Okay, I do have a separate blueprint for gold members, but if you want to be on those 8 p.m. calls and you want, my simplified blueprint, then you want to be at platinum or higher. Okay, and you're going to get access to those 8 p.m. trainings that start this Thursday at 8 p.m. And that's it. I will see you in the next video, my friend. Here's to making money from home. Here's to thriving, right? I was actually reading a scripture and it was talking about I will bless you in a time of famine. And I couldn't think of a better time than this, right? Where this is supposed to be a famine, but people who planted seeds, this is a time of harvest for them. This is a time of being blessed in a time when there's famine all around and you can stand your ground. All right, so that's it. I'll see you in the next video, my friends. Bye, guys.